What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to talk about build plates and bed adhesion. So I'm just starting a new review of a 3D printer. It's the Lotmax Shark V2. And one of the first things I'm going to do to it is I'm going to upgrade the build surface. So I figured now would be a good time to talk about PEI flex sheets or flex plates, whatever you want to call them. PEI is just a material. It's called, I believe, polythermite or something like that. It's just a type of material that you lay down on top of a steel flex sheet. And yeah, your filament sticks to it extremely well, and it's very easy to get your prints off of it. I will overlay some video here of showing you how easy it is to get your prints off of it. You can get them in different types of material, so you can get a smooth surface. This one right here is a smooth surface. This will make your prints come off looking really buttery smooth. I believe the bottom of this skull was done on a flex plate. Yeah, it's super smooth. Or you can get them in a textured version like this one here, and your prints will come off with a little textured finish. So you can see how easy it is to take your print surface off. It's just a steel sheet, and you give it a flex like that, and your prints will pop right off. And to put it back on, you just line it back up and let it go. Higher end printers come standard with this, I'm pretty sure, and some printers like my Prusa came with a PEI bed sheet. It's dual-sided, so I can use both sides, but not all printers come with a PEI bed sheet. You can get them in textured or smooth, like I already saying, and they just pop right back on there like that. It's super easy to install. The ones I'm showing you here, except for the Prusa, this one here in front of me, and the one on my Ender 3 V2, these are called EZFlex from TH3D. These are the ones that I mainly use. You don't have to buy them from TH3D. You can literally get the PEI sheet off Amazon and build your own, but TH3D makes super good ones. They're only like 19 to 20 bucks or something, or 19 to 23 bucks, somewhere in there, depending on which one you get. And yeah, they're super awesome. I have multiple different ones because I've scratched a few of them. I've got textured and smooth ones. They just send you a magnet like this. This is just a magnet with a sticky back on it. You peel the sticky side off, you plop it down on your printer, and then now your flex sheet sticks on top of it, and you have your print surface. So this will definitely help with bed adhesion, so your prints will stick a lot easier to it, and it's way easier to get them off. So you can literally just give them a flex, and they pop right off. Your glass bed sheet that comes with your Ender 3 V2, it works fine. I used it for quite a while. But I definitely noticed a huge improvement to bed adhesion, and it was just a lot easier to get your prints off. You didn't have to, scrape them with a scraper anymore, and wait for them to cool down forever. You can literally pop it off immediately, give it a flex, and you're good to go. One thing to note, though, when using a PEI bed sheet like this, is if you are printing with different materials, like TPU, ABS, PETG, you will need to put down some material in between the print surface and the print. So here's a couple different things that I've used here. This is a little higher end product, this nanopolymer stuff. You just sprinkle it on the bed, smear it around, and that keeps your prints from sticking. Or you can just use a standard purple disappearing glue stick, Elmer's glue stick. This came with something, I don't remember what it came with, but it's for filament. But you literally just take it, smear it on there like that, and let it dry for a second, and your prints won't stick to the bed. If you don't do that on things like TPU, this is where I've had the biggest issue. I've forgotten to put it down a couple times, and things like TPU will literally, adhere or weld itself together with the PEI sheet, and you can ruin your PEI sheet when you're popping it off. So be aware of that. When you're printing with materials like PLA, though, you do not have to put down any material in between. So for PLA, you don't ever have to put anything down, and they pop right off. Another thing too is to remember to do is clean your bed off with I forget what kind of alcohol it is, just 99% alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. That's the word I was looking for. You can find that on Amazon as well too. And clean your prints off every time. That'll be another thing that'll help quite a bit with bed adhesion. Is every time you do a print, take a second and get a paper towel, put some isopropyl alcohol on it, and wipe it down before you start a new print. You'd be surprised how a clean bed will really help with bed adhesion. So even if you're still using a glass bed or any type of other build surface, clean it off with isopropyl alcohol will definitely help. Also, too, TH3D has different build surfaces. I believe I ordered one here. I have it on the bottom here. This is a different type of mat. These things are technically dual-sided. So on the back side of this build plate, I'm going to put this other sheet on there like that. And then I'll have a dual-sided build plate for just using different kinds. If I mess this side up, I can flip it over and use the other. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys about this. I think these sheets are extremely awesome to use. Like I said, too, these are from TH3D. You can buy them off Amazon if you want. You don't have to get the TH3D ones. They just do a good job. You know, they're already pre-cut, and you just select what printer you use or whatever your build plate size is, and they send them directly to you. So I like it quite a bit. But anyways, yeah, I just want to make a quick video showing you guys this. If you have any questions at all, or if I missed anything, let me know. I do my best to answer everybody's comments down in the comment section below. So anyways, guys, have a good day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.